Go.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Today our group will be explaining equation, a solution, equation. Homework 48, question 4. Given the function f(x) equal to fx equal to 3 minus 2x per x plus 4. So first thing first, the question is stated find x intercept and also y intercept. How to find x intercept? Fx will be equal to fx will be equal to 0 to find x intercept. So 0 equal to 3 minus 2x over x plus 4. We need to move x plus 4 to here, means that they must kali, or shall I say multiply by 0. So the equation will be 0. 3 minus 2x, so 2x put over here, 2x equal to 3 and 2 will be moved here, so x will be equal to 3 over 2. That is how to find x intercept. How to find y intercept is x will be equal to 0. So f0 equal to 3 minus 2, 0 over 0 plus 4. 2 minus 0 will be 0 and 0 plus 4 is 4. So the question will be 3 over 4. That is how to find x intercept and also y intercept.
Go.
Now we go to the question of B. To find the horizontal and the vertical asymptote. First, now we know that fs is equal to 3 minus 2s divided s plus 4, and then we do to find the vertical. We have to add s4 equal to 0. So to find the s, we just now we find the value of the vertical asymptote. Now we go to find the horizontal. We have to do a limit function. So and then we just do the divided as well. Then we input the function to the s, to the s. So get we get the answer to find the horizontal asymptote.
Okay, for the next question, which is question C, we need to find the first derivative, whether it is increasing or decreasing. So we're just gonna do this. So if we want to find the first derivative, we need to use this formula. So this part will be the u, and this part will the denominator will be the v. So if you want, so we find the prime, the u prime and the v prime. So the u prime will be -2, and the v prime will be 1. So after we get the prime, we just simply put the numbers in. After that we solve this. Okay, then we solve this. So it will be okay. So after that we need to we need to let the first derivative equals to 0. So after we find x, we do a critical line. Also need to do a table so that we can test the value and see whether the sign is negative or positive. Get the sign is by simply taking this, and then we put the test value into x. So it will be So after we do that, okay, after that we solve it. We solve for the so it will there will be negative 11, which is negative. So we put the negative sign. Yeah. So after that we do the same, but for the for negative 3. So the sign here is also negative, so we put negative here. So this is the final answer for C. That's it for me. Thank you.
Thank you.
So as we can see here, the signs are both negative. So the increasing value is none, while the decreasing value is negative infinity to 4. So this is the answer. Sorry, this is negative 4. So this is the answer for question C. Thank you. That's it.
Okay, for the next question, question D, I will show you how to find the concave up or concave down interval. First step, we must find the second derivative for the first derivative. So we need to find the derivative using this way. You want to divide this 11 and this 2 is going to become negative 22 divided by x plus 4 power of negative 3. Then you put back the x to the denominator, to the below. Negative x 4 3. Then that is the second interval. Then you need to find critical value for the second derivative. To make the second derivative table, you x plus 4. The way to find the critical value, same as per derivative, you must let the fx to become 0, so x equal to negative 4. Then you make a second derivative table. The table will be the same as the first derivative value. Using this way, negative infinity, negative 4, and negative 4, and infinity. For the test value, we must find using the nearest value in the interval. For example, this negative 5 and this negative 3. And for then to find the sign, you must you must enter the test value into the second interval, same as the first relative way. Negative 22 x 85 plus 4 negative 3. Oh, sorry, I have a mistake here. Oh. Then after you calculate here, negative 1, 3 equal to negative 22. So the sign here is positive, so let it positive. Then we search for the second test value, negative 3. Negative 3, there will be 1, 3, so it will be negative 22. Then the sign here is negative. So after finding the sign, we can conclude here where concave up is the positive sign of interval, and that's negative infinity, negative 4, and concave down is this interval where the sign is negative, negative 4, infinity. So this is the answer for the question D. That's all for me, thank you.
This is question E answer.